Hey, we're back in action. Shireen, the Adventure Queen. What am I doing out here in 30 below zero temperatures? Well, of course, County 10 meteorologist Dave Lipson is at it yet again with another experiment. What are we doing today, Dave?
Well,
Or actually two.
in this air mass that we're in, which is comprised of 35 and 36 below zero by 3 meteorologists today, including myself, we're going to do some cold weather experiments. The first one is when I unscrew the cap on this bottle, it should turn white. Here we go.
All right.
This is what they tell me.
Now, is there a reason it's going to turn white?
That I can't really tell you.
It is turning white up here.
There we go.
I see it, yeah.
Well, how about that? Yeah. So watch this video in the summertime and it'll quench your thirst.
All right, we have a second experiment too that has to do with bubbles, freezing bubbles. We're going to get to this experiment now.
Well, these bubbles will freeze at these 30 plus below temperatures. And what a bubble actually is, let's get a close up on that because you'll see it turn solid.
Yeah, let's. A bubble comprised of?
Well, it actually, oh, look at that. See how solid that is? Let's do it on the boot because I think you'll be able to see it better that way.
What is a
there,
bubble
Mr. Bubbles.
comprised of?
Well, it's a sphere with a seal around it. It's actually an inner and an outer seal. And in between the inner and outer seals, around the circumference of the spherical bubble, there's a thin layer of water that freezes in these temperatures. And so that's why you can crush them and watch them roll around like bowling balls on the ground because they're frozen. We're going to try this homemade solution of corn syrup, water, and Dawn dish soap.
Need the. Gotta pinch that straw. Maybe these will freeze here. There we go. Let it freeze. Yeah, it's pretty hard for a bubble.
See, they're turning white. And it's that thin layer of water around the outer portion of the bubble. And there only is an outer portion of the bubble. There's no, it's hollow. And look at this, look, it's white. See that?
Wow, yeah, it's hard as it's ice. Because we're gonna go ahead and crush it now that it's been sitting out for long enough. Whoa, you see that? Weather's cool.
Weather is frigid.
Brr.